Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. If you're looking to invest in Jamaica, then this is the perfect opportunity for you. This property is located on Shades Road in Ocho Rios and comprises of 4 studio units, 1 bedroom unit, and 2 large bedroom units. Ocho Rios is popular with investment properties and areas as high traffic. The property is currently being used for Airbnb, which is an indication of its possibilities. The land area of this house is approximately 6,425 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 350,000 or Jamaican $53.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.